Oh my gosh, it's fighting so hard. This thing's crazy. It's so powerful. See him down there? Hooked him straight in the mouth, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I drove a 40-minute drive all the way to the spillway. Been looking at a lot of pictures caught here, and hopefully I can get my first buffalo, bigmouth buffalo or smallmouth buffalo. If you guys know what those are, I'll put a picture on the screen right now. There's also a lot of carp and pike and a bunch of other stuff, but hopefully I can get my first buffalo and then maybe some carp mixed in. But here's the spillway. And in the currents around here, there's supposed to be a lot of fish rushing. I got night crawlers because it just rained yesterday, so there was a bunch of night crawlers on the ground, and I picked up a ton of them off of the road by my house. So I got those, and then I also got a little curly-tailed grub to see if I can catch them. But let's get to it. You ever caught a buffalo carp here?
Yeah, there are a lot of them, especially on that side.
Oh yeah?
Oh, you got worms, I see. But yeah,
that's what I'm trying to catch.
I've been catching a lot of big common carp. Yeah. By casting right over into that still area.
Should I go off the bridge?
So like where my friend Donnie is.
Yeah.
You go like where he is. He's a cool dude. You can just go stand by him. He won't care.
All right.
So you just go. Yeah, you got one. You hit one.
Oh yeah.
You got one there.
Is that a carp or a buffalo?
Right, buffalo.
Have you caught him before? Oh yeah. I'm not from here at all, so I'm just trying to catch my first. You got one or you snagged? Oh, you got one. Oh no. First Wednesday of the month. Oh man. The tornado siren, it's the first Wednesday of the month. And I met these two fine gentlemen over there, and they both fish here a lot, and he caught a buffalo. The buffalo ate it 3 times, and it just popped off at the beginning right there, so sadly. But he caught him on a little curly-tailed jig like that, and he was just slow reeling it down. All right, so all he said to do was just cast it out there and then slowly retrieve it. Got one! Got one, guys. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh! Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, guys, let's go. Oh, he just ate it first cast. Let's go. It feels so big. It's fighting so hard. Oh my gosh! Look at this thing. It's so powerful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dad! Dad! Hooked up! Oh my gosh, it's fighting so hard. This thing's crazy. This thing's crazy, guys. Oh, my drag is super tight. I can feel it breaking. All right. I gotta pass it around here and then bring it. Oh my gosh, it's a giant. Look at it, and he ate it too. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Oh, look at my rod. This is not, my rod's gonna snap. It's not meant to bend this far. Why is it still going? It's been going for like 2 minutes now. So heavy.
Here. Yeah, the buffalo are huge, man.
I know. That's why I wanted to come.
Have you seen it yet?
Yeah, it's bigger than his. I just didn't want my line to snap on the edge because I couldn't bring him around that post. I like fighting these more than sharks, honestly.
Oh, you've been shark fishing?
On spring break 2 weeks ago, we just went shark fishing out on the ocean in Florida.
Off too early. Now.
Oh! You got him, you got him, you got him! You got him!
Hooked
him straight in the mouth, guys.
In the mouth.
How long do you think this is? I have my bag. I got a tape measure and a scale.
Probably about 17, 18 inches. 7, maybe 20 inches long. Something like that. Just grab him right by the gill, pull him right out of there.
I gotta get this hook out first.
Right. Like this, grab him right there, right here. Put your finger.
You're not supposed to put him in the gill because it.
You to keep him?
Oh no.
Okay, it don't matter. That's just,
You can keep it if you want, but
I don't want him.
Thank you guys so much.
good catch, man.
Thank you. Here's the fish, guys. The first ever buffalo. Really fun to catch, and they fight incredibly hard.
Yeah, you can let that one go. We're not gonna eat him.
Yeah. Do you want me to just drop him in?
Yeah, just drop him right in, head first.
Yeah, just throw him.
All right. Drop him back in there. 3, 2, 1.
I'll catch you next time.
What's your name?
Don.
Don.
Baker.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, because they didn't have enough line in there.
When you guys, before you guys got here, I saw like a black tail this big.
Yeah.
Must have been like 20 pounder.
They're big, dude. I'm telling you, we were here earlier, we caught some fish before you got here. Then we went to out to eat, or you know, wanted to eat at Arby's. We came back, and you were here. We just left like.
That was awesome, guys. First cast with the curly tail grub. Right here, all I did, let it sit, slowly reel it in. That's all I had to do. And they fight like crazy. I did not expect them to fight that hard. That was awesome. Just casted it right down there, reeled it in. Slowly like this, and then he hit it. And they eat it too. You don't have to snag them like people think. And these aren't carp. A lot of people mistake them for carp. They're not. They're actually bigmouth buffalo and smallmouth buffalo. They're just like carp though, but they're not the same thing. What? Yeah, you can use them all. So, when you're looking for a spot to actually fish at a dam or spillway like this, you want to look for slack areas of water, such as like behind a pillar or a post, where there's not going to be any current, so the fish can take a break from the current. And there's obviously going to be a lot of fish in the current still, but those might be harder to find because they're so spread out, especially if you're fishing a big area. But just look for those slack areas of water, and I was using a curly tail grub, bright color, so they can see it easily in the murky water. But you can also use worms. Oh, yeah, that's good bait right there. Got one, guys. Buffalo. He's in the mouth. Hooked in the mouth, buffalo. Hooked one in the mouth, guys. No, it came off. Oh, I got hit again. What the heck? There's so many buffaloes stacked up here. You guys know, I got another one. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. There's so many fish stacked right there. You guys know I'm coming back here. Got one again. Oh my gosh. He's eating it every single time right there. Just gotta make sure I'm recording. Oh, perfect. Beautiful cast. Got him, got one. Oh man, this is something big. Oh my gosh, do you guys see this? I gotta see what it is. No, don't tell me it's coming off. Where is it? Oh! Oh, do you guys see that? It's a big black buffalo. All right, here comes the trouble. These fight so hard. Now I gotta get him around the pole here. Oh, do you see him down there? Oh no. Oh man, I hope I'm getting this on video. This is crazy how these fish keep. Okay, might be able to get him around now. How they keep fighting, there's so many of them stacked. Yes, I can get him around. I had one hooked on when you weren't watching. See him down there? Oh, what? He snagged on the tail. He snagged on the dorsal. Yeah, I had another one hooked on when you weren't watching. I don't know if I got it on video or not. This one's a little bit bigger. Okay, this is gonna be tough. I doubt I'm gonna be able to get him up. This is, I don't, my line's gonna snap for sure.
Why would it snap?
Take out your phone and take a picture. Oh, there it goes. It just took off right there. Well, what a crazy day. I got like tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of bites. But we only landed one, or we also got that pike. But thank you guys for watching this video of North Star Fishing. You know I'm gonna be back at this place because it's loaded with a ton of river fish. I'm not even gonna try to name off the species, but next time I will be with Davis, hopefully. And I'll catch you on the next one.